Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back actually with a pretty good day trading recap. So today I traded AMD. I was actually really short bias in AMD on 84.50, but it did not give me what I expected at the open. So imagine if I was shorting at 84.50, I could have gotten the whole move. But the thing is, I also trade the open. Um, I did want, I didn't like since I was short bias, I didn't want to short, above EWAP. That's why I did not short, but it was really, really strong. I think volume in the first minute was about 2 point something million. I think probably 2.5 million, this candle here. And then when I saw this wick, I said, okay, this is not short. I have to be careful if I'm going to enter a second candle. And when it did this, I thought it's really going to break down. When it recovered, I entered right away. I was risking 50 cents on this one, so 60, so I was risking somewhere up to here. And yeah, it was a bit risky, but yeah, I got probably more than $1 move in this one. Um, so 83. Oh, let's see. Let's look at my entry. So my entry was actually 83.63. Half of the candle, half time of the candle. And yeah, it was great. So yeah, I took partial here. I was taking 25 partial hills. I was taking most of my shares here because this was my short area, right? Um, what I did was just taking like I missed the partial here. It just popped really crazy, and then good thing I added there. So I add on the pullback. I thought it's going to continue to break out of 85.50. That's what I thought. I, I actually I actually thought it's not a short. It's not a short. So I even added because I mean you have to change your bias. Even I was short bias in this one. It did not give me what I expected. So yeah, took it here, taking most of my shares here, somewhere at 2 to 1 area. Then I added 84, 81. I took profit, yes, somewhere at 85 something, 50, and took profit here, one profit. I thought it's still going to continue to 85.50. I waited, I did not get, and then it just rejected, and then I stopped out the rest at 84, somewhere 84 last shares, and then I tried again. I tried again. Let's put this one here. I tried again for a long, risking 82, but it was a 50 cent risk trade. Uh, sick. So yeah, it's kind of. I think it's kind of like a long now. The reason why it took this long here, it's on daily ATR now. It was three. I think daily ATR is 343. So it was at the daily ATR, and I have 82 here that I can use. If it goes below 82, then I'm gonna stop out. But the thing is, it's weird that it stopped me out at 26, even though my stop out was at 25. So I could have held it to 65, take profit here, and I thought I was gonna go all the way to 83, but it did not stop me out. And then this was kind of like a FOMO trade. Um, that's why I said, okay, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm just gonna create a recap. If not, I'm just gonna overtrade. How did I get levels? So these are the daily levels that I have, basically. So okay, so this was the previous day low, not previous day, few days low. Let's look at my scanner first, maybe. That's what we should do. A lot of people are asking about my settings, scanner settings. Yeah, so this is what we get. Pre-market, I had AMD highest volume, gap down 7%. I thought it's gonna close SSR today. That's what I was expecting if it's really weak, but it held, which is good. And then let's look at AMD. Yeah, AMD. I was using kind of like this daily here, $84. So let's look what I did on the levels. So these are the levels that I have. Um, so yeah, so this was the level 83.76, right? Give me one sec. So 450. Okay, let's look. So yeah, so this 83.76, that was the breakout that I did. That was the breakout trade that I did. Let's look here. Yeah, so that was a breakout trade that I did. So I have 84. I have 84 space. 8450 as kind of like my area where roughly I don't have the inflection point here, but this is where I kind of like I said, okay, if it doesn't go above this, then it's gonna be a good short. But it did, but good thing I took a trade on the long side. But the thing is, the short, I think the short side has had more potential. Um, yeah, so the levels I had was 87.50. Yeah, I did not even break this 85.30. I was hoping for this breakout if it continues, but look at that. I don't have levels here. The next level I have was 80.91, which is the SSR point. Yeah, it's holding. Oh, it's at 7, almost at 83 now. So yeah. What happened was it did stop out all the ones at 82s. Whoever's in there trying to take that long, and then eventually went to 82. I don't have much levels, but okay. Look left. If you look left, I have levels at 87.50. So I think I did a weekly on this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So these are my levels. 1891. That's SSR 8376. Where did I get that? 8376. So I got it from here. Yeah, here. Yeah, here. You see those lows? So that's the 8376. So that's 8376. That's my kind of like my low on this candles. What's the low of this? And yeah, so sometimes any support can be a good resistance breakout. So that was a previous support. It became a resistance on here, and then I used that to break out. It did give me a dollar move roughly. Um, but yeah, I mean, not as clear. My lines are not as clear, but I think that's enough. So yeah, this trade was actually not bad. Yeah, so 82s. I was still seeing a lot of orders at 82s, below 82s here. That's why I didn't want to hold it, and really tempted to enter again, but I made the goal. I don't want to give back anything. I don't want to ruin anything. So I think that's it for today. So just Amazon trade. How long did I trade? I think the first trade that I did was this one. So about 17 minutes trade, 17-minute trade, and 20 minutes including this one. Oh my God, this is really tempting. Look at that 83. It's showing up. Looks like it wants to go to 83 and test the UAP again. And if you look at the levels, pre-market levels, it's probably gonna test that. So yeah, it's testing this level here, low of pre-market. But there's gonna be another level here, kind of like an area here, 3. It's a really good one, but sometimes you just have to let go. All right, I think that's it. Um, Even though I was short bias, I did a long trade um, because of the tape, like what was happening in there. It was just really obvious. The first two candle was really obvious long, even though it was short bias. It was, you know, just I have to get that move. If not, if you miss that, it could have been a nice short at the 84.50 area, 85. Yeah, but the thing is, if you're trying to short here, you're gonna get stopped. This level here, 84.50. That's about a dollar move. That's hard to trade. Um, it's doing a bull flag here. Yeah, it's there now. It's buying pressure. You can see diamond sales. It's printing and printing. It's probably gonna head up 83. All right. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I haven't traded for 2 days because I have guests today. I mean this week until Thursday. So can't find time to trade. What else? Yeah, I think that's all. Just if you have any questions, just comment down below or DM, direct message me on Instagram or Twitter. See you soon. Bye.